Alright traders, I'm looking to get an SNCR long here. I guess my computer's a minute behind somehow. I'll be getting in long. Right about there, my stop is going to be at 49. Looking for the break at the high of pre-markets or the 19. I'm in at 95. That's what we're going to see today if my exit half works. It does not. I'm taking half here. Holy cow. Stop loss still at that 49. That's a lie. I'd rather go break even on this. If it gets to the 60s, I'm gonna exit. Back up though here. I'm taking here. Out of the trade, just quick $3. Trying to stay green today. Alright, I'm looking to get into wing long here. I got 50 of my shares in at 32.59. Trying to get the rest of the 50 in up at 33. Looking for the break at 33. Pretty decent sized spread here, but that shouldn't really be too much of an issue. Stop loss will be below the lows. My exit half button still doesn't work. I cannot figure out these buttons, so I'm gonna have to work on that after later. Also, I bought trade ideas, so I've been messing with that a little bit. Actually pretty cool so far. S&P doing its usual thing, green at the open, going low as soon as the open starts. I see another trade I want to take, but I don't know if I really want to get in on this. What's that? Low of 21. Oh, no, too late. Missed it anyway. It's got room to move up to 50 about. Mouse just died. That's great. I really want to see the volume pick up here, otherwise I might not get any action. don't want this to run against me. I'm enjoying my $3 of green that I have. What is this? 45, that's a good spot. It's actually right. That's perfect. Alright, now I just need the break. And we didn't get it. It'd be wonderful if the spy would help out, but we're not getting that. It's right there. Volume's looking good. It's right there. Oh, maybe. So close. It definitely wants to go through. I cannot believe, after all that, still not through. There must be a ton of sellers here at 33. There we go. I want to see that bid go way up. I want to see that bid in the 20s at least. That's better. Alright, I'm gonna take some at 15. Take some at 18. Take some at 20. Kinda run out of steam already. I got some at 18. I won't let the rest go below 30. Ah, shoot, missed it. Okay, got a $27 trade there. Alright, looking to get an IMMU long here. Everything's going to be pretty tight here. My stop loss is going to be 54. I'm looking to get in at 68 here with 200 shares. 12-cent move is a $25 risk, which is what I'm looking for. And then I'll get the next 200 shares up at the 80. If we find the strength here. Again, I'd like to see the SPY move up. I really like these trades where it keeps multiply hitting the number a few times. Worked out with the wing trade, should probably work out with this. Volume got huge on the second run up here, so I imagine the third run up might break it. I'm about to get in. Just a penny away. Just a penny away. I wasn't going to take this trade at first because I started looking at it right up in here, but after this nice pullback, alright, I'm in. 54, and then at 80 I'm going to add and get 200 more. I see that volume come running in now. So I want to see this start shooting up again. Don't want to see that, but come back. Just kind of see it get up there. Tons of volume. Getting kind of stuck here. Can't figure which way I want to go. SPY's doing that. Well, it's got to break one way. stop loss is going to be there. My next stop loss for this 80 is going to be at my last entry. I'll put it at 67. There's a bunch of sellers at 80 there. I got in. I'm in again. Be looking to sell 200 here. Like to see some more. 5. I'll take some here. Took 34. Don't want it to come too far back on me. I'll put it at 75. That sucks. Oh well. Alright, good trade. 24 bucks. Okay, I am long HLF here, looking for the break of 70. I had a big run down here, but then we just had this big squeeze up. I'm wondering if it will continue. My first stop loss is going to be with lows. That was 89. I'll get in the other 50 at the 70. Can't say I'm too confident with this one though, because the market's done nothing but go down. Missed another trade. I really like this because if it does end up getting over that 70, all of these shorts right here are going to be looking to get out. Even this 50 mark here. There's a big, well, was. You saw that 100 down there. What I think was happening is these people were playing the reversal. They saw that had the 5 green candles up right at the open, and it was stretching back down here. So now it's starting to come back up. I want to see a huge pop if it breaks that 50. Spreads are all over the place on this stock. It keeps getting tight and it widens. This might be a little more. It might be more like $30 loss. That's alright. These shorts would definitely be looking to get out above this 50 now. Just want to see it happen. I think SPY's actually helping a little bit now. There we go. That's a shame. I am not out. I am not out because I forgot to place a stop loss. Okay, I am out. 84. Lost 32. Okay, I'm looking to get long monster. Just got in 300 shares, looking for the break of 48. Going to try and sell half after the break. If not, I will be all out after 84. Right below this candle here. Very nice formation. Already got over it earlier today, but pulled back, came all the way back up. Looks like a pretty good trade. Might be it right here. Look at all that. All of that green. These huge candles are a good sign. There's the break. Not much movement. Lots of volume, but no movement. Interesting. Let's see, last time I got to 6. What was that, 10? I'm going to get rid of most of my risk here. I'll put some at 90, and then I'll have the rest at the 84. Here we go. Some kind of breakout here. We're really not getting too much. I'm taking half off. If it decides to get me out here. Alright. then the break happens. Got 95. I don't like it anymore. Didn't move too quick, so I'm just gonna try and get out break even. Okay, I'm out. Where is it? Oh, it's for $3. Okay guys, I think that's gonna be it for me today. I'm gonna do a little recap here on how the day went. So my first trade was SNCR. I was looking to take it. Man, I cannot get this straight yet. Okay. Looking to take it high over the pre-market highs. Did take it high over the pre-market highs. Let's see. I got 100 in at 95. So right a little bit right in between them there. Looking for a, if I'm going 100, looking for a whole dollar move. So my risk would have been about 45, right about here. Yeah, right below this candle right here, the first candle of the day. Ended up popping up, breaking over 19, got up to 1920, 1930 even. Didn't like how it was acting after that. Ended up selling, let's see, sold around the 20 mark, sold into strength. Ended up pulling all the way back, got out at 78 at the bottom of this candle. It was a good choice because it didn't get back over 19 after that. Pretty much break even, just $3 winner. The second trade was Wing. I really like this one because right at the very beginning here you could see that it could not break the 33 mark. Got in 50, ended up pulling back here. Let's see. Got 50 at the 59. So I was in all the way down at the bottom here. There we go. Got into the pullback. Was in at the 33, was watching it around here. Started moving back up. It allowed me to get in that good entry. I can enter in half size in the beginning, risking only 25. Make sure that it's going to go all the way up to 30 so that I don't just lose 50 instead I could lose 25 instead of the 50. So then once it hit up that 33 again, I got into my full size, was long 100 shares. Average price was probably about, I don't know, 32.80, a little bit more than that. Popped up, finally broke over the 33. Sold into strength at 33.20, so I was out right about the top of that candle. Didn't see like it was going to do anything else. Decided to pull out the rest right after a little at break even. Ended up $28 on the trade, wasn't too bad. Next trade was IMMU. Was definitely trying to take it over the 680 here. Kept bouncing it over and over again. In this case I got the same deal, and because of the pullback I was able to get in half size, 200 shares. First one was at 668. Got in right about there, 200 shares, risk right below this at the 54. Got in full size at the break of 80, broke 80. I sold a little bit on the break at 85. Wasn't really any follow-up, decided to get out full position, take that last little bit for a small tiny loss. Ended up with a $24 trade. Not too bad. I think the deal with these trades is I'm trying to make sure that I'm not losing too much and I'm just taking what I can. So I feel like the way that these set up, the way that I put my shares in, I can really get out what I want of it. I mean, obviously it'd be great if I got that full 2-to-1 risk-reward ratio, but that's not always going to happen. So that in the case of this HLF here, I was trying to take it over that 70. So it looks like I got 50 shares in at 48 right about here. I remember it was pulling back a little bit, and I wanted to get over that 50 because I kept touching that 50 again, but couldn't break it. Ended up selling out at the 84, all the way down at the bottom. Lost 32 bucks on it. See, that was the case where if I had decided to go full size straight from the beginning, I could have bought what? I could have bought 100 shares right at this 48.50 mark here, but it wouldn't have worked. So I would have lost $50 instead of $32, maybe 60 instead of 32. So in this case, I guess it was a good idea, because if it did get all the way back there, then I would have been 100 shares long with an average price of about 75. So that's definitely minimizing my risk, which is what I want to do, but my winners aren't big enough to even cancel out my minimized risk, which that's what I need to work on, is maximizing the winners so that the minimal risk isn't that it's not canceling it out already. And the last trade that I took was Monster. I was looking for the break of 48 again. Let's see. Here we go. Kept touching 48. Ended up breaking 48. I wasn't able to get a full total entry, or half size and then other half at the point of the breakout. So I ended up getting 150 shares at 48 with a risk of, would have been below this candle, so the 84 there. Ended up breaking it. Again, it didn't look that great. There was no real follow-up. Decided to just get out as quick as I could. Ended up with a $3 winner. Again, don't really want to lose too much because I'm already quite in the hole because of that other incident that happened on Wednesday. But overall, it was a pretty good day. It was a really huge learning experience. Every day gets a little more clear and clear as to what it is that I want to do. Fine-tuning my strategy. Also, trade ideas is very good. I like it a lot. It's going to be super helpful for me later on. I was talking to some other traders, talking to Albert Ding, give him a shout out. He's giving me some other strategies, because one thing that I was looking for today is the reversals. I play off the 15-minute. Exis was kind of setting up. There was another one, Ralph Lauren was another play in there. I got the 3 candles up, one big pullback, couldn't find a good entry. So yep, I'm calling it today. I will be back on Monday. Thanks for watching.